Hello and welcome to another WMS tutorial. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set the clock on your LunaStat thermostat, ensuring that any programming works correctly. Let's get started. Press Menu so that the Set Clock main menu is flashing. Press OK to confirm and the current hour will flash. Press the up or down buttons to set the hour, and then press OK. Use the up or down arrows again to set the minutes, and press OK. Set the correct day by using the up or down arrows. Press OK, followed by the menu button to save your changes, and finally the power button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials and other videos on our website or YouTube channel. See you next time.